today I give myself 1 hour to make a whole Godot game. So let's start. Okay, so for this game, I was thinking more of like a clicker game because it's simple, easy, and well, it's the best game I know how to make. And I was thinking, what about making boxes or something with like making boxes, packaging them and stuff. So I thought, what about every click you do, the box actually like changes and gets more complete after you click it. So I was thinking, sure, let's do that, let's get working on it. So I start first in Photopea so I can draw some sketches of the boxes. So I'll get working on that right now. This will be a 2D game then, and I don't know if I'm gonna make it public, but yeah, let's see. I'll work on drawing some of the stuff. Okay, so actually I think I'm gonna use Aseprite because it's a little easier to draw the stuff, and I already have presets of colors because I was kind of having problems with that in Photopea. So I think I'm gonna use this because, well, it's easier and I can easily draw one like one box here, one box here, one box here, like per like 4x4s, so it's easier for me to do it. So I have some stuff, some tiles. So I'll make 3 stages: one unpacked, one not made, one made, and then one taped too. So I'll get working on that. Okay, now I'm not the best at drawing, but I tried my best. I made a unpackaged version, which is like kind of like the flaps right here and right here and right here and right here are like down, and then the middle is here where you just kind of like fold it up. Then I made one right here where you have the flaps like hanging out still a bit. This was pretty hard to draw right here, this flap, but yeah. And I made it so it's like dark on the inside, so like, yeah, so it's like dark on the inside so you can't really see what's inside of it. And then the box, and then right here I made the finished box where it's just a cube of, well, this color, and then I added like a bit of tape over it kinda. But yeah, this is what I'm going to be using for the assets. And yeah, let's head back to Godot. User interface, I'm going to make the user interface. Let's just right now add a color rectangle. Let's just scale it up to be big enough for everything right here. Let's make it like a I think maybe like a not like maybe not beige because it'll match in a bit too well. Maybe like a baby blue. This would be good, I think. Maybe just a baby blue kind of. Then let's add a button, a texture button. Let's get this scaled, get this like in the middle. Actually, we can do it like this, in the middle perfectly. There we go. Then let's textures. I actually don't know how I'm going to do this. I need, oh yeah, an atlas. Drag the boxes into here, edit region, and we need the first one, so we need, actually, let's get pixel snap. Oh, it's not auto, no, not auto slice. Grid snap here. So I think this is it. Yep, this is it. Oh, what the heck, why is it so weird? Oh, and then we go to back. Instead of stretch, we keep it as scale this up, put it back in the middle, so we have it centered now. Now let's create a script and let's write some code to make it actually work, so we have the different stages made. Okay, now I made this script here so it swaps between stuff whenever you here, let me save this. Whenever you click on it, it swaps between stages. As you can see, it swaps between stages. Once it reaches the third one, it resets back. It looks pretty bad, I can't lie, but well, yeah. Let's scale this up real quick and let's center it again. Let's see the new size real quick. Okay, that's already a lot better, the size. Now let's go ahead and actually make the script so you can actually get money, and or whatever we want to make it. I think I'm going to make it money, so let's get a variable and let's name it money. Right, let's actually make it an integer value, because you won't be going up to like billions unless you actually like play it for a while. And of course you'll equal to 0.0. Now let me write the saving the and the other stuff right now, so I'll be back once I'm done with that. Okay, so this script was pretty easy. I just made a variable money, made it a float value, so it was easier for me to get it to on this scene, so I can actually give the money. I stored it using the save, making a save function, which runs every. I put it somewhere here, every 3 seconds. I also made it so it stores it right here is a store underscore 64. Then on load, I make it, oh god, then I make it get the value, do money. So if the file's there, I do money and I equals it to where the stuff is stored. I get it. Then if it doesn't get the file, or if this doesn't work, then it goes back and resets your money back to 0. In here I made it so down here a function that gives you the money, so it's easier for me to modify it. I had a bit of problems with this, so I had to do a print statement. This basically gives you the money. Then I put it in here, so once it reaches stage 3, you get this function runs and you get the money. And it does work, by the way, as you can see. Oh wait, I forgot, I just got rid of the thing at the output. Here, let me get it back. Okay, so as you can see in the output right down here, you can see we get money. And yeah, that's for it. Pretty happy with this already. Now, right now, what I think I'm gonna make is make a upgrade system or something, maybe, or no, I'm gonna make it so you can't spam this, spam upgrade this, and you actually have to wait, like, let's say 0.0 5 seconds, let's say, before you can actually click onto the next stage, so you can't just auto click it and get like so much money. So let's do that. Okay, so there we go. I made a little function down here that makes you wait the amount of time, which I put a variable up here that is a float, which I put a mark here. So this is how long the player must wait. So 0.2 seconds. This is if it's still on cooldown, and I made it so it's in here. If it's is on cooldown, it'll return back, and if it's not, it'll start the cooldown once you click it. But it will still run this, so you still get the money. Nor I'm pretty sure if I didn't write it wrong. Let me check. Okay, well, I removed the statement again because I forgot. But yeah, so it does work though. Now I think I'm gonna make a label like up here, I'd say. So let's get a label, just a regular label. Boom. Scale this a bit, like this maybe. Get it up on the top here. Maybe grab it, move it down a bit if I can. There we go. Make it say $0. Then we will go to the theme overrides, font sizes, enable that, and let's scale it up a lot. Okay, I'd say right about, let's do 60. Just a bit big so you can actually like see it. How did I do this again? I need to change it so it's in the middle now. So wait, hold up, it's right here. So there we go. We got that center now. Let's write a script in here. Money label script. Let's create that. Now, where am I actually creating these scripts? I'm creating them in here. Okay, well, let's get the main scene. Boom, boom. Get the main scene. Let's get the label. So boom, boom. Okay, now let's make it so if this once hold up, let's make it so the label actually displays the stuff. So I'll be back once I'm done with that. It's not that hard to make, so it won't take me that long. Okay, that was actually harder than I thought, because I had to do this, which I don't really get what this means. I know this makes it 0.2 decimals or something, I think. I can't remember what it exactly does. Yeah, I had to find it out and search it up a bit, but I figured it out, I think. Let's check. I haven't tested it actually, matter of fact. So let's start the scene. We get to see that we have money up there. Okay, it works. It displays the amount of money. Now I'm wondering, does it actually save? Because I don't think it does. It saves like what, every bit. So let's check. So okay, we did that, we waited. Okay, so it's not saving, huh? why is it not saving? I don't know. I will try finding that out. I'll make a little thing so I can see if it's saving or not. Okay, so I actually kind of forgot a lot of stuff. I forgot to set up the autosave timer here. I forgot to actually, this was actually instead of meant to be get underscore 64 and store underscore 64 and stuff, it was meant to be float, store underscore float, and then get underscore float. And yeah, of course I still forgot this then. So let's check now. So let's load. See, no save file found, starting fresh. Okay, what about if I do this? Okay, now it should we see we are actually saving the correct amount of money every few seconds, and it is saving. Let's check if it loads. Does it load? So we should have 0.07. Yes, that works. For some reason, we're getting these weird numbers at the end, though. I don't know what's causing that, but it is fine. It doesn't matter all that much, does it? So yeah, there we go. Now I need to hurry up because I'm actually running out of time already. It's already been like what, 20 minutes? Ooh, no, 30 minutes. Jeez. Okay, I'm gonna hurry up. I'm gonna rush with the upgrades panel, and yeah, I'll be back. It shouldn't be that hard. Okay, so I just made the script for the button. So for the upgrading button, it also makes it so it displays on here the price. So this is the base value increasing. So with the base value of how much you earn per box making, I guess, kinda. So yeah, let's go test that out. I don't know if it's gonna work. I have not tested it out at all. So yeah, let's see. So we have $10. We buy this. Okay. That does not work. Oh, but I forgot to also add it. Okay. So right now we should upgrade. We shouldn't have not enough money. Yep. And this should save if I'm correct. But please. Dang it, I don't think it saves. Okay, at least it does not get rid of your money, but it does not save. So I guess I gotta make it so it saves. But does that also make my base money increase? So let's actually go to the main scene. Did I get or not the main scene, this scene, or no, this scene, I mean. Jeez, I'm getting confused. Okay, we already got the main scene, actually, matter of fact. So down here, no, wait, down here, plus main scene dot base money, and this should give us the amount plus the base money. So let's check. Yes, that does work, but sadly I forgot to save this, so let me fix that. Okay, so I got it fixed, so now it actually shows like the correct stuff. So okay, so right here it says price maxed, so you cannot upgrade it anymore, and my base value should be 0.5. Yep, you get 0.05 now for base value. So I think this might have to be it, because I can't lie, I kind of already went past the limit a bit because I kind of had a lot of problems with some of the scripts, and also it's kind of hard because I had to research some of this stuff to get it actually working and stuff. So yeah, kind of hard for me. And also I didn't know how to make the UI, and I kind of also spent a bit of time on this because first I went on what was it called again? Let me check. Photopea, I think. Yep, I went on Photopea to try drawing these, but I'm not very good at Photopea, so you know, kind of didn't end up very well. And then I went to Aseprite, which I'm a bit better at, which I made the main stuff for. Now, this kind of was the best I could do, but if you guys want me to, I can continue the series. It can continue this to work on it more if you guys like, or if you guys like it, and comment in the comments that you actually kind of liked it. And yeah, if you do, comment, say you liked it, like the video, subscribe if you want to, you don't have to, and tell me to continue the series if you want me to continue it. But this is going to be it. Thank you guys for watching, and also thank you guys for helping me hit 210 subscribers, I think it was. let me check. It was 210 subscribership and helping me hit my video to 235 right now on I spent 5 days learning Godot. Very appreciated. I appreciate it very much that you guys helped me get that much. And yeah, also on my latest video of my devlog on my farming game Sproutbound, please watch that video. And if you guys want to join the Discord in my description, it is this Discord for my main game Sproutbound, and I hope you guys like it. Hope you have a fun summer and see you next time.